we'll see the admin part. Here we can see that admin has not been entered. So first we'll register for the admin. Now admin has been entered in the database. Now we'll log in as an admin. Here we'll see change user role and edit user profile. We have done in the same link as well. You can see forward. We'll select one user. From here we can see change the user role, and also we can change any other field which admin want to change. User has been successfully updated. Now we can see the updated data in the database. Now we'll log out the admin. Now we'll see the user module. Here we can see that user has not been registered. So first we'll register for the user. Now we can see this that user has been successfully registered in the database. Now we'll log in as a user. Then we'll create a MAR. We can see the confirmation message that MAR has been inserted. Now we'll see it in the database. We can see that MAR has been inserted. Now we'll log out. Now again we'll log in as a user. And we'll update the profile. Here we can view the profile, and then after clicking on the modify profile, we can modify the profile. User role and username has not been allowed to change by the user. So now we'll update it. Confirmation has been displayed. Now we'll check it in the database. That user has been updated. Now we'll search for mar. This is the mar which have been reported by this particular user, and we can also view the mar. Now log out the user. Here we'll see the facility manager. First we'll register facility manager. Now we can see that facility manager has been successfully registered, and will log in as a facility manager. Here the first thing is create mar. Here we can facility manager can create mar. You can see the added mar in the database. Now we'll see add new facility. After adding, we can see that facility has been inserted in the database. Now we'll do repairer schedule. We'll see repair schedule by date. We'll enter today's date, and there is one data for 10th October, so one data is displayed. Now we'll see assign mars by date. Now we'll see unassigned mars. After that we can review that unassigned mar. Here you can assign mar also, and the message will be displayed that mar has been successfully assigned. It has been successfully assigned, we can see in the database. We can see all mars here, and we can also review it, and we can also assign here from there. We can also view available facilities. We can also review the available facility. Now we'll search for facility by date and time and type. These are the available facilities. Now we'll do view specific mar. We can select any specific mar which we want to view. We can search that, and from here we can assign the mar. The message will be displayed that it has been successfully assigned. Now we can also there is one rule check here that if one repairer has been assigned 5 repair per day, and then he won't be able to receive the sixth one, as it is the 5 mar is the limitation. Here we can see that it has been assigned 4 times. So now we'll again modify assign it another 2 times. We'll again try one more time. Now it won't be assigned because it has exceeded the limit, because per day one person can have only 5 mars. Now we'll log out the facility manager. Here we'll see the repairer module. First we'll log in as a repairer. Now we'll see all his reserved repairs. He can also review his reserved repairs. He can modify his reserved repairs, but he can only edit his time. It has been displayed that it's successfully modified. Now we'll see the modified date time in the database. Now we'll cancel the modified repair. It has been successfully cancelled. We can see that that particular repair will not be available in the database. Will request for the reservation. Here he will request for the facility to repair. Facility has been successfully reserved. We can see that in the database. He can also view the profile. He can also modify the profile, but he cannot modify username and user role. The successful message has been displayed. We can also see that in the database that it's been successfully updated. Then he'll log out. This is the structure of our project. This is the controller, data, model and utils, and the below are our JSP pages. Thank you.
Hi, now we're gonna check the rule check for the week of the repairer. So first we're gonna log in as the facility manager. And now we are gonna search a specific mar which is unassigned currently. So we are gonna go for the view specific mar, and we can search based on the mar numbers, and I'm gonna select mar 10 and click on search. We can see that in database the value for mar 10 is unassigned currently, and we're gonna assign it to Tarun, who is our repairer. And we could, and now upon clicking on search we can click on assign, and now we could see this particular page where he can choose the assign to date and the estimate of repair. And when he clicks on update, we can see that the mar number is successfully assigned to Tarun, because at present there are like 9 mars which have been assigned to a particular repairer, and this is like the 10th mar. So we're gonna go into the database and check if what we have done is right. So we're gonna check in the database. And yeah, here we have, so the mar 10 is assigned to Tarun at this particular date. So now we're gonna go ahead to our UI, and we're gonna again search a specific mar, and this time it's gonna be mar 11, and then we're gonna hit on search, and then we're gonna hit on assign, and this time we're gonna choose the same assign to with a different estimate of repair, and we click on update, and we could see that the repairer Tarun has already exceeded his number of repairs for the week, which successfully satisfies our rule check. And now we're gonna get into our database and see actually if it has been updated, and it shouldn't be. So if we just get inside, we could see that right from mar 1 to mar 10 we could see that the assigned to date is for Tarun, and for mar 11 we could see that the UI did not allow us to update it in the database. So yep, thank you.